Hello student, today we will do question number 21 from exercise 7.10 NCERT Mathematics class 12. So without a further ado, let's get started. I is equal to log 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x dx. This is number 1. I is equal to by using P2 property we will write this 0 by log 4 plus 3 sin pi by minus x four plus 3 cos pi by 2 minus x dx. And that is 0 by 2 log 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 cos pi by 2 minus x sin x dx. This is number 2. If we'll adding 1 and 2, we get if we'll add 1 and 2, then this will be 2y equal to 0 pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x dx plus 0 pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x dx. 2y equal to if we will combine this, then this will be 0 pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin x 4 plus 3 cos x plus log 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x dx. I equal to log m plus n, formula log mn. So by that formula we will write this log 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x into 4 plus 3 cos x 4 plus 3 sin x dx. This will be cut, this will be cut, this will be cut, and this will be cut. So this will be 0 pi by log 1 dx. 2y equal to log 1 equal to 0, 0 pi by 2 0 into dx equal to 0. So I is equal to 0. So option C is correct. Yeah, this is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.